So for those of you that don't know, VidIQ is a Google Chrome extension that provides a lot more information than YouTube analytics do themselves, not only on your videos, but other people's videos as well. And it breaks down different topics and different analytics to make it easier for you to understand and process and incorporate into your own YouTube channel and videos. So the first tool within this tool that I recommend using is the channel audit. So you'll find it in the left-hand corner over here, just where it says channel audit. So from the top, you can see my views have increased over 1070% in the past 30 days, as well as my subscribers have increased in drastic amounts, and as well as my watch time. Now, this is due to me only just starting my YouTube channel, so don't get any ideas. This will regulate itself out once I am a couple of months into uploading videos on a regular schedule. Now, one of the most important sections on the channel audit is the content to double down on section. This lets you know what content and videos you've posted that has done well in regards to views, but as well as subscribers. Now, because I was fairly new to YouTube, I wanted to make a video that was a short tutorial that was actually a how-to step-by-step guide, which was my how to add pop-up YouTube subscribe buttons to your channel. That surprisingly did okay for a new channel anyways. So that currently is my most viewed, which tells me that I need to focus on other short tutorials like that as well. Now, if we move over to where subscribers gained, you can see that my video that brought in the most subscribers was my how to increase YouTube watch time and audience retention. Now, I do know why this could be the case. It was one of my first videos. It was the video that I was continuously sharing on Facebook and Twitter, both on my Facebook page and in Facebook groups, as well as sending it out to my emailing list as well. So that means I had 3 different sources of traffic that I was pushing this content out to, which meant that I was going to gain a few subscribers from it. The same goes for my how to keep people watching your videos video. I did the same thing because I was very fresh on the platform and I needed to put the content in front of people's faces because YouTube wasn't going to do that for me. Moving down to the second section, we can see a little bit of information on watch time and average watch time, as well as retention and top playlists. Now, as you can see, because this was a short video, it is my top viewed in regards to watch time, and it has my highest average watch time as well as my highest audience retention. Because it is a tutorial, which means people wanted to follow it step by step, they tend to watch from start to finish. And if we move further down the list, we get to some awesome nitty-gritty stats. As you can see, my top search terms here are how to earn money from YouTube, because I made a YouTube video on exactly that topic. So that's good to see that that is actually working. How to get more subscribers on YouTube, how to get more views on YouTube, and so on, so on. This means that my overall YouTube channel topic is working and I'm bringing in the viewers and audience that I actually want to bring in. And here is some information on end screen click rates as well as card clicks. Now, I am quite new, so I still don't have too much stats on this at all. Now, there is also a section that is titled content that you could use work. So as you can see here, I've lost 1 subscriber due to how to make money on YouTube. Maybe that's not what they were looking for and they decided to leave. Hopefully they come back. And these are my lowest 3 videos, just because probably the engagement rate isn't too, and of course these are my 3 lowest videos just because they have the least amount of views. Now, the bottom section is probably my favorite part of the channel audit. It's basically a little snapshot of the things you're doing well and where you can improve on your channel. So as you can see, my title lengths are really good, my description lengths as well, and my tag lengths. So I'm using all 3 of those SEO tools appropriately. The only thing that I seem to be lacking on is my playlists. Now, they do recommend that you put your videos in 2 or more playlists, but hey, I'm still new. I don't have that many videos to keep cross-platforming in different playlists, but I highly, highly recommend you do so. Of course, keep in mind that you do need to have the content that relates to one another. And if I didn't have any videos with cards, end screens, custom thumbnails or playlists, it would let me know here, but I've done all of those for all of those tips there. And my posting schedule is about 1.4 videos each week. Hoping to improve that, but we'll see how it goes. So moving on to number 2, the video info panel. At least that's what I think it's called. Basically, to the right of any video on YouTube, yours or another creator's, you see a slight snapshot of how the video is performing. The overall VidIQ score that is given, how many views, an average duration, top countries, top devices, the social aspects, so the engagement rate on this video, for example, it's incredible. Where your engagement and views are coming from. So 87% of my views have come straight from YouTube and 13% has come straight from Twitter, because I was obviously sharing my video over there as well. I've got a 100% like ratio, which is awesome. I've got 10 likes and 10 comments, 9 likes on Facebook, nothing on Reddit, unfortunately. And then it actually shows how many Twitter followers I have, as well as Instagram followers. Now, if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see the SEO tab, video optimization checklist, channel stats, and video tags. Now, these are the most important aspects of this tool. So it's currently giving me a VidIQ score of 63 out of 100. So as you can see here, I've got 4 out of 5 tag count. I've got 1 out of 5 tag volume because my tags aren't actually ranked too high. I need to probably work on that a little bit. I do have 5 out of 5 of my keywords currently in the title, which is good. The same for my keywords in the description and triple keywords. The performance though is where it's lacking, because as you can see, I've got 43 out of 50 for my SEO, but it's the performance that is lacking on this video. So I do have 4 out of 5 tags that are ranked, which is good. If I can get another one, I'll be 5 out of 5. But as you can see, I don't have any high volume tags. That is just because I don't think this video topic is searched too greatly. Now you can see a quick glimpse of my video optimization checklist, and I've done everything besides monetization because my channel hasn't actually reached the 1,000 subscriber range or 4,000 minutes of watch time. Hopefully somewhere in the near time future. All right, now if we scroll down a little bit lower, you can see my video tags and the ones that have ranked. Now this is really amazing because if you are researching a topic or you have a video that you'd like to improve the stats on, you can go ahead and check out your competition or similar videos to see what rank tags they have. Moving on to the third and final favorite aspect of VidIQ is the search term, inline keywords, and keyword score. So what this is good for is when you're researching a topic or you're wanting to improve your search term or your targeted keyword in a previous video. So for this example, I've just typed in weight loss for young women, my go-to keyword. And as you can see, it has brought up a little box to the right here, similar to the previous tool that I just showed you, which gives us the weight loss for young women keyword or search term. Now it gives you some statistics as well for this video. So like highest views, average subscribers. But as you can see, this keyword is not in any titles or in any descriptions, which is interesting. The most important aspect of this feature is the keyword score. So as you can see, it is being searched. This is the search volume, so how much it's being searched. And then this is the competition. So it is highly competitive. So for example, if it was a good search volume, it would be up in the green, but you would also want the competition to be down in the green as well. So although this is an average search volume for this keyword, there is a lot of competition. So unless you've got quite a large YouTube channel, you probably won't break through and create a hit or viral video using this keyword. So for example, I've searched Minecraft Let's Play just to see if we could get a better keyword score. The search volume is a little bit higher than before, and the competition is a lot lower as well. Okay, so I've tried a third keyword, and my search term this time is Harry Potter Lego review because Harry Potter Lego has just been released. As you can see, taking a look at the keyword score, the search volume is huge, but the competition is so low that you might have a breakthrough video here. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today in regards to my top 3 resources within the VidIQ Chrome extension for YouTube. If you'd like to watch more content of mine, I highly recommend the videos to my left. Other than that, guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video.